Alright everyone, what we have here is a Harbor Breeze Southern Harbor. I picked this up from fan collector Donovan Parker. I was at Fanimation. Definitely a childhood fan. My grandma's previous apartment had one of these. I think it was an antique brass. And it also had like a wind chime on it, like you see right there, on the fan, on the light kit of the fan. So it's a really cool fan. So, I'll show you some different angles of it. Definitely a cool, unique fan. So it's a 42-inch fan made by Harbor Breeze. So, I don't know, see if this. So, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the fan. And begin with the light kit, because it's got the original fobs on it. This fan was dated 1991. It was April 1991. I know it was made in 1991. We'll turn on the light. Yeah, Lowe's is Harbor Breeze is a Lowe's brand. One of the coolest fans here of all time. Hold on a second. Almost looks like a Crest 2000 series. So it's not. There's a light right there. And it's a nice fan, as you all noticed. Now we'll go ahead and turn off the light. Now we'll go ahead and turn on low. Yeah, there were also some Harbor Breeze fans that were made by Heritage. So it could probably be a Litex or a Heritage. The canopy is not original, by the way. It's I believe it's a SMC canopy. Some extra canopies I had. Not the original one, but I might hang it up in my room. I don't know yet where the Princess Euro is, because this is a big fan for me. So see, the housing's a little bit, or there's nothing wrong with the housing. It's just we'll turn it to medium. Medium. Definitely one of my favorite fans of all time. Yeah, the motor before was really jammed. Like, it was just, the motor was so hard to turn when I got it. And I used some oil to loosen that up, and it really loosened it. So it's helped. Turn it to high speed. It's high. It's like a Heritage Brisbane. Heritage looking fan. So yeah, but this was hanging in my sorry, I got this from Don Parker, but this is like I was saying, this is the childhood fan, because my grandma had one of these in her previous apartment. I don't know if it was this finish or if this was antique brass, because there's an antique brass version of these out there. That's why I ended up getting these, because I don't know when I'll find these again. They're hard to find. I mean, I looked them on YouTube. They're hard to find on there. Like, I looked on YouTube, there's just barely any videos, so this is gonna be one of the ones that are gonna get posted. But this is definitely a cool video. I'm gonna say for sure. So, oh, excuse me, I just. That's really cool. I found this fan. It's off. I might end up putting this there. I don't know yet. But that would be cool if I did that. Because I could come home to this house sometimes, and I could just be remembered back when I was a child going to my grandma's place. And this fan was hanging in the dining room with that wind chime on there, and I'm thinking about putting that. If I ever hang this up in my room, wherever I hang it, I'm thinking about putting that wind chime over there on that fan as a symbol of back then. But yeah, I'd love to get a 6-bladed Heritage Brisbane. That would be pretty cool. Brisbane. Oh, sorry about that. Stopped already. I will go ahead and turn in. Let me reverse it so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, thanks guys.